Hello everyone, welcome back to UiPath tutorials. So today we're going to talk about what is RE framework, known as Robotic Enterprise Framework. So this framework is provided by the UiPath team, and you will find it here by clicking this. There will be a pop-up, and just click on the create button. So just like we are creating a new project, just like we are creating in the uh, s- in the in the processes on or in the transactional process. The thing is, it will going to give a predefined XAML files. So we will going to develop the things in those. So it will take a few seconds. So for this errors, just go to the project. As this is corrupted, I think so. Just do the repair dependencies. When this thing is done, so yeah, it's done now. I'm just go to the folder, project. You will find here these files. So first, let's take one by one. This is a config file inside data folder. So you'll find the three sheets here. One for the settings, constant and assets. Setting where you are going to define your queue's name and the project name. The constants here we will instead of giving the hard-coded delays, here we will give the here we are going to give the delay times like uh, delay short, delay medium, delay long, and you will going to find the max retry number also when your program is stop is some error. If you want to retry that number we can give here in the value, and there are a few more other things. When you are going to work on this, you will going to know. Let's go to the asset parts. So here we're going to give the name that we're going to fetch from the dictionary, and here we're going to the asset name. So this I will going to give a demo on this also. Let's just consider this that there were these sheets with the setting, constant, and assets, and we are going to put these all the values in the dictionary. Now this is a documentation part. There's a PDF file. You can read it. With every information about RE framework is mentioned in this file. Coming to the framework folder. So here you are going to get a few XAML files. One is for close all applications. This is going to close your current application running. This is for the credentials. For the it's like SAP credentials or mainframe credentials or some web application credentials. Now coming to the get transaction data. Here this basically is used to get the transaction items of the queue, and this is basically used to initialize all applications. For example, if you want to open any application, here we're going to give that activities in this XAML file. Coming to in it all settings is like we are putting all the config values in the dictionaries. Kill all processes, something like killing the current running processes. That can be your applications or the browser. Set transaction status like getting a values from the queues and just working on that. We can just change the status whether it's success or fails. So this is basically used for the queue part. Take a screenshot is for uh, just capturing the screenshot when there will be some few errors or anything error occurred. It will automatically take the screenshot and they put that in the folder. Trace framework is something like they have provided one config file. So this is like we are maintaining the logs. Means they we have a few cases here for the workflow, and they are giving the statuses and the exception. When you are going to this is the basic the result. So, and this is the test. So there can be more XAML files. We can include here the cases, test cases. When you're going to run this XAML file, so this file will generate with the output like the summary, how many get success and how many get failed. So it will help in the logging basically. Now coming to the main, I'm skipping this. So coming to the main, so here we will have all the states like initial states, get transactional state and process state. So these we are just calling all the XAML file in this main file. And about the process, this is basically we used to give all the process. That means we can say that if there is we'll going to open the Facebook, then we will going to log in. So just like we are just want to open the Facebook, then we give in this init application. Here I've already shown you init application, and in the process, what we'll what we're going to give is, just for example, I'm going to upload some photos. So in that, I'm going to automate for that. I will put that in the process, and for the login credential, I will put that in get app credentials. So this is all about a short description. I'm going to let you know of each and every file one by one. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video.